and Namaste parents. Welcome to our channel of Ambition Vedic Coaching Institute. Today we are taking yet another topic. The topic name is sentence transformation. See, sentence transformation compulsory carries 4 marks. It is compulsory for 9-10 students. What happens in sentence transformation? Sentence transformation is actual part of narration or direct indirect speech. The conversation between two persons is given. We have to convert that direct conversation into indirect one by verifying the sentences in proper tenses, converting it into, and the changes in noun, pronoun, and other things. See what happens. See students, I have written one conversation. What is conversation between Harish and Amit? Harish says, two dots means says, Harish says, I am going to New York in October. Amit says, I am extremely jealous of you. I wish I could come along as we would have fun together. Harish says, it is never too late. I shall make your reservations too. Normally there are 4 sentences, but what happens in second and third sentence, the conversation is somewhat lengthy. There are 2 sentences. I am extremely jealous of you and I wish I could come along as we could have fun together. And this is again, here are 2 sentences. Here is 2 sentences. That's why 4 marks is distributed in 3 sentences. How we can solve? We know. See, this is conversation between Harish and Amit. We have to find out that what is the type of sentence. The first type of sentence is assertive sentence, affirmative sentence. That's why conjunction is that, and conversation between two persons. That's why reporting verb is told. See how we can solve it. First sentence, Harish, Amit. Harish, conversation between two persons. That's why reporting verb is told. Because sentence is assertive. Harish told Amit, as it is assertive sentence, conjunction is that. Harish told Amit that I is converted into he, am is converted into was, he was going, remaining thing as it is, to New York in October. Second sentence, what Amit says, Amit, again this is assertive sentence. Whole conversation is in assertive sentence, not in interrogative, WH or exclamatory. That's why Amit told that, already given. This was hint for you for this. Amit told that I is converted into he, am is converted into was, he was extremely jealous of you is converted into him, because Harish is there, that's why you is converted into him. Amit told that he was extremely jealous of him. He further added, he further told, we can say like this, he, I is converted into he. He wished, present tense is converted into past tense. He wished, I is converted into again he. He wished he could, would, should, could, no change. He should come is converted into go along, as we will be converted into they, as they, would as it is, have as it is, as they would have fun together. See, if this you is not converted into him, this we is not converted into they, your marks will be deducted. I will explain you later on. First we are going to complete the whole conversation. Again, Harish, again this is assertive affirmative sentence. That's why conjunction is that, reporting verb is told. Harish told, again that. Harish told that it is as it is converted into was, it was never too late. It was never too late. I is converted into he. Shall is converted into should. He should make. This your is for Amit. That's why your is converted into his. He should make his reservations too. Small minute changes are there, but that changes are very important because that can reduce your marks. See, this was total conversation between Harish and Amit. What was the first sentence? Listen carefully, students. First sentence was Harish said, I am going to New York in October. Harish, conversation between two persons, that's why. Harish told Amit that I is converted into he, M is converted into was, remaining as it is because no changes. Harish told Amit that he was going to New York in October. Amit replied that, Amit told that he was extremely jealous of him. Him means what? Harish. He wished he could come is converted into go, along, as we means both of they, that's why they, as they would have fun together. Again, Harish told that it was never too late. He should make his reservations too. This is first question for you. This is first conversation. Listen carefully. We shall proceed on second within few seconds.